So this is the current situation in Bay of Bengal. You can see a depression is forming, and this is the wind directions, various winds moving in, and at the same time let us look into the ocean waves. See various patterns of ocean waves, and next see the various types of ocean currents. Again at the same time see the various types of ocean currents, various types. Again zoomed out view of the ocean currents. Again the depression forming in, and again this is yet another view. Let us zoom in slowly. See how the depression is forming. Again wind directions,